Amy was a young student with big dreams of becoming a doctor. She was passionate about helping others and knew that achieving her dreams would require hard work and dedication. However, she also knew that without setting clear goals, she would struggle to stay motivated and focused. One day, Amy attended a workshop on goal setting and was introduced to the concept of SMART goals. She learned that setting goals that were specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound would give her the direction she needed to achieve her dreams. Excited by the prospect of achieving her goals, Amy decided to apply the SMART goals framework to her studies. She set specific goals for each subject, such as getting in on her biology exam. She also set deadlines for each goal, so she had a clear timeline for achieving them. As Amy began working towards her goals, she found that the process of goal setting had many benefits. Here are some of the benefits that Amy experienced. Motivation. By setting goals, Amy had a clear target to work towards. This motivated her to study harder and put in the effort needed to achieve her goals. So with clear goals in mind, Amy was able to focus her attention on the tasks that were most important. She knew what she needed to do to achieve her goals and was able to prioritize her time effectively. Confidence. As Amy achieved each goal, confidence grew. She felt proud of her accomplishments and knew that she was capable of achieving even more. Progress tracking. With measurable goals, Amy was able to track her progress over time. She could see the progress she was making towards achieving her overall goal of becoming a doctor. In the end, Amy's hard work and dedication paid off. She achieved all of her goals and went on to become a successful doctor, helping many people along the way. Thanks to goal setting, she was able to stay motivated, focused, and confident and achieve her dreams.